best bike cycling shoes. A good pair of cycling shoes is an essential piece of kit for anyone who is serious about the riding. But the best shoe for you will vary depending upon the type of cycling that you do. Choosing the right model at the best price can be tricky. This guide is designed to help you hunt down a perfect pair for you at the right price point. Men's Road Bike Cycling Spin Shoe. Experience top-notch performance and comfort with this road bicycling shoes. Let you have more efficient, safer and more professional riding tours. This pair of cycling shoe is designed with highly breathable synthetic mesh upper and wear-resistant nylon sole with Cleat, which is anti-slippant and hugs your foot for all-day comfort. This versatile road bike shoe is compatible with Peloton, Shimano and Look Delta. Perfect for road riding, commuting, touring, spin class, mountain bikes and indoor Peloton bikes. Adjustable rotating buckle and hook and loop straps design makes this cycling spinning shoe easy to slip into and stay on your feet. It only takes 5 seconds to put on and take off quickly. This shoe is very lightweighted with 451 gram weights. It is quick drying, highly breathable mesh upper and wear resistance nylon sole. You can use this pair of shoe in various occasions such as road riding, mountain cycling, indoor spinning bikes such as Peloton bikes. Click on the link in the description below to see more details about the product. So don't wait up and get yourself a pair or two for yourself and a friend who loves riding.